What up, guys? They call me El Patronn.
They call me My Car Guy Ro.
And what we doing for you guys differently this month and actually all month long, okay, we're giving you tire and wheel protection on every car that you buy at Brooklyn Mitsubishi.
Why is that important, El Patronn?
It's very important, man, because we happen to live in the Northeast, and you guys know how it is with the potholes out here. It's really, really bad. So we just basically wanted to change the game and do a little different than what the competitors are doing. So regardless whether you buy an SRT8 from us or you buy a BMW, anything, any make, any model, tire and wheel protects you guys, zero deductible.
I think that's really important because guess what? You don't want to spend $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 on a bent rim when you can come to Brooklyn Mitsubishi and get it all included into your paperwork. I think that's phenomenal.
I think that's great. So that's what sets us apart from the competition. Come on down Brooklyn Mitsubishi, say how can I get the tire and wheel protection included in my deal? It's basically included in everything. You don't pay nothing for it, and that's exclusive at Brooklyn Mitsubishi. Okay, guys? See you guys soon.